I can see your screen.
What Umar does here, Umar Javed, what he does, is part of scale.
Yeah, actually, it's part of our team.
So see, Ozi, I wanted to tell you something. See, so we
Okay.
are using dual connection, correct?
Yes, correct.
So on top of this, we are having this dual event, right?
Yes. Dual event. Okay.
So first thing is you have to use new one. Okay? Use new thing, new API in sorry, new collection function, new event creation function. Okay. Do
Okay.
you have that? Do you have that?
Well, yes. We have the new API. We have the new collection.
Connection function you have new one?
Yes. We have the new function for event ID.
No. There is a problem. So, okay, if I go here, check class. You have this one? Is it the same?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this.
And this is also same.
The new API. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. And then this
That
rest.
one,
Yeah.
that one is not the same.
What I didn't see was that. So I can copy and send the that.
Actually, the problem with this, it's returning a constant
That's okay.
event ID.
That's okay. Go with that. No issue. That will be solved. That will be solved later on, not now. Okay, I have provided you closing. Okay.
So,
First thing, this is two things. Okay. And then you know the, and then if you are using the newer one, you have to use like this. Okay, I'll show you that also. So that you won't be having a problem. Let's just say the candidate management, candidate review. Yeah. So you have to use something like this while inserting.
while inserting.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Just
This is
just this.
yeah. I mean for event ID I'm telling.
Okay.
Other part you can do. See, you can see here other part is there. For event ID I'm telling this one. Okay.
Okay.
Then the next part. Okay. Can I get your repository, please?
Do skill.
Share me the link.
Okay.
Where it is the link. Where scale function? This one.
Yes, do skill. Thank you.
And then which branch? 13 branch.
V2.
13 branch. Okay. 13 branch. Seriously. Enough for next year or something. Very nice. Pipeline. What is this pipeline for? What is this pipeline for?
That is a pip file.
No,
Pip file, not a
what's that?
Mail.py. Very nice. Very nice. I really like it. The report. Very nice. Why the hell this is here? Tell me this. Why the hell is this here? Who is working this? Who is working on this?
I want that, so what's that?
I don't know. Who is this person? Who is this person? first.
That's me.
Why do you push this one? Tell me first. Why do you push this one? What exactly you want to achieve this? If X in Y, then okay, or else not okay. Oh, what made you push this? Tell me. Anyway, this man. Okay, okay. Which one I will the API? You
No.
no. Okay. Which one?
And PS.
yes.
Okay. Then you. Okay. So compare event IDs. Okay. Find categories. Schools. There is a lot happening here. So you see the problem here, okay? I don't know what is the API for. Okay. If get this, correct?
Yes.
Else if get this. No.
Yes.
Else if this is the thing. And then there is a try catch. Then find. Okay. Fine. Okay. Then again there is if insert. So okay, so you see here what is happening. Okay. This takes 5 seconds. This takes around 8 seconds. 8, 5, 30 seconds. Again, this is 5 seconds. 13, 5. How much?
18.
18. Okay. Then there is a response. Okay. You see where the catch is happening. So you will have to see, because you people are using like first fetching that, updating that. Why that is required, I don't understand. But this because of this only these things are taking so much. I mean, after changing to the near these things, dual connection thing, it will take you 18 seconds minimum. So now the thing is, you will have to really understand what exactly is required. Like, well, I'll take it, tell example to you. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. You see this one. Okay. You try to understand this diagram. What I have done. Now let's just say, okay, what is the HR processes? There is a candidate table, there is a HR table, there is a team lead collection, there is a account collection. There are 4 collections. So when a candidate is coming, the insertion is happening to candidate, and then the candidate goes to HR. Here only I am changing a status. Here I am inserting and here changing status. So when I am present in HR, correct, at that position I am inserting a data to the listings HR collection, plus I am updating the candidate collection also. Okay, when I am the team lead, I am inserting to this thing. What is that? I am inserting the data to the team lead collection, and I am updating the candidate collection. Okay, this is the things what is happening. So what we have done is, see, now insertion to, okay, at this, okay, then we can talk about reject. Okay, what is happening? If HR is rejecting someone, it is just changing, updating here and updating here. 10 seconds. It is changing. If it is rejecting here, then reject here, reject here, reject here. 5. If it is rejecting here, 5. Okay. But here there is 2 actually. Then in HR there is two insertion, two things happening here twice. So there are 5. So there is a lot happening. Correct. So what I have explained them, and one function I wrote, other function they have written. Okay. What I did here is, now if I'm rejecting a person here in the account, so it has to reject here, it has to reject here, status, update. This is update with insertion, you leave. Updation only I'm telling. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5.
also
I am
here.
more concerned. I am more concerned in the candidate, not in accounts. Correct. I am more concerned that the status to change the reject. Why? All these things are mandatory, but not fully mandatory to me. Correct. So what I did,
Yeah.
I created a thread. Okay. What I did, I created a thread. In this position, this guy will give a response. Okay. When this is happened, this will give me a response. So first thing, automatically I'll hit this. What I do when I hit the API, I reject, I update the status in the candidate position. So once this is done, that gives me response. So that means in 5 seconds I'll get a response from the API. Correct. You see,
Correct.
but this is also happening in the background, in the thread. But I don't know what is happening, what is not happening. API is not responsible for that. But at that particular time, I am more concerned in the candidate correction. So I reject that person and then update it. Once the state is updated, that's get a response. I send a response to the front end people, then you do whatever is required. And then these things is on the background in the thread. You can learn more about thread, what exactly is happening on the thread. Okay, what is thread, how things are done in the thread. So you will have more idea on that. Correct. So you see now what is happening. 25 seconds, I reduce to 5 seconds. Understood?
You understood.
Yeah. So these kind of things you have to do, because you see here what is happening. How many times you are calling dual connection? You the try you see. 1, 2, 3 times you are calling. So 15, 18 seconds are already taking. So you have to really think about it and how you can optimize more, which is more required in that position. Okay. Give that part first, give the response first to about that, and then move forward in others.
Okay.
Yeah, so you will have to check then what exactly is needed, and when the things are, when I need something to be done properly, go with that first, and then based on that you move forward. Or else this is never going to complete as soon as possible, because this will take hell lot of time. Now you see dual connection, everywhere I am using the dual connection. Insertion is also fast, operation is also fast, everything is fast. Why? Because of that only. And the other thing is, if I you are that. Okay. You will have to really think about it. Okay. I honestly tell this because this is not going to take you more further on the speed case, because there are a lot of, I don't know what exactly people are doing on this, but optimization is must. Because, there are a lot of time you are calling well connection, so it's gonna take a lot of time. Okay, so please try to find a way which is more important. Give the response of that, and then everything put to thread. So you'll be working on the thread. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not telling only you have to do for the thread part like this. You can use whatever is required based on that. You can optimize the code also. I don't think so. So many dual why there is so many dual connection. I don't understand, because this code is so much. So I have to really go to it. So but if they really check that what okay, this event ID is not going to help you anyway. Okay, you should be like event capitalize small d. Okay, we change this one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then see these if else not going to take, these also makes things slow. Don't put, you can use switch case if there is required. There is a switch case, right?
Yes.
Switch
Yes.
case.
You can
Why? Oh my god, there is a lot. There is a lot. No, this is not going to happen. This is not going to work. This will make your things do. Use switch case. If else. No. Try catch. No. This is not going to help. There is a lot. Oh my god.
It's different functions. You are separating some of them. So.
That's okay, but this is not going to help you.
Okay.
So only things are making slow. See, if else. What is this? This is no. Don't go with this. Go with the other switch case.
Okay. Okay.
Well, find. You people are using more find often, right? One more thing also, I'll tell you one. Okay. So, okay, I'll give an idea to you. Okay. I don't know how much this is successful or not. I see you people are using more often find you are using, correct? So
Yes.
whenever there is API hit, you define a function, something called function, let's say function X. Okay, function X. You define a function like this, right? Define a
Okay.
function like this. What this function does is, okay, it always have a find or fetch. Fetch is you get all the data from the database. Okay, every time there is a call happening, you get first you get everything the data from in a local file. You store in a file or store in a file or do whatever. Okay, and then fetch find from that. You get data from that. Rather getting directly from that, database, you fetch from the files that you have. Okay, understood. Build keep a JSON file and move with that because see how many times you are using here also find. Okay, there is a lot of find you are using. People are using find so much. Fetch find you are using, right? So
Yes.
you
Yes.
can do that. You can have a file, and then you can get all the time whenever there is a insert command happening call the file that function, it will fetch automatically all the data. Every time when there is an instruction, you fetch, update the file, just a file. And whenever it's required something, you get from them. Rather than getting from directly from the data. No, I'm just suggesting all these things you can check, but remote this is not going to take you anywhere. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello guys.
Good day, Andrew.
I think now we'll have to work on refactoring the code.
Yes. Yes.
There
Yes.
must be updates from Vision.
Okay. The update from Fusion. He said he was able to do the skill level was able to hit the API. I don't know if you can check that in the collection. The skill level and it made the drop down for the. Hello.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Hello, Ambrose.
I can't hear you.
Okay. So the drop down also for the skill type, he said he already implemented that. So he's currently working on the custom configuration that the selection where it is disabled after it's selected from the skill.
Did you get that part he's working on?
There are constant configurations where you select elements on the page and then it's disabled when it's associated with the skill. Yeah. So that's what is currently working on.
Okay. I think we'll have to meet him another time.
Yes. So now to you, you said trading. Do you know about trading?
Sorry?
Manish was mentioning trading for the. Do you know about trading?
Not really. I'll have to look into it. Maybe Umar. What do you know about trading?
I don't know what was he referring to by the term we trading, but I think he was saying for just to optimize the code so we can speed up the things on the application.
Yeah.
Yes, he said that. It was concerning using the dual connection. That was what was explained by trading.
Actually, we'll have to work on it.
Yeah.
I'll make my research.
Yeah.
Umar, what your side?
Yeah, so can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Am I visible?
Still loading.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Yeah, all right. So basically, what you know, basically, first of all, he told me to convert the table into hard order list, and this is how I have like sorted things out. And I have also copied the code that Cozy you pasted in the NPS updates. And moreover that, but the thing is, in the normality API, it was not working. I tested it, like as you know, told me to create multiple scales and test the normality API. For the same, I have like in the function, I am using the same random number, and but for the normality API, it's not showing the results.
So, what's the error you're getting?
No, I'm not getting any error, but just I'm not getting any response.
Okay. I think I have to look at it also. Go about. You're not displaying the individual responses.
Individual responses of
Example, you see here we have scale occurrence like three times. The first table, the one with the response scale type. No, above. The validation report.
the what?
See the validation report. Here where we have the scale type, the NPS scale occurrence is three times, and we have the total response.
Yeah,
First
scale
table.
response.
So we were to display the scales individually. Like here we have three, we should have three instances, each with with its corresponding score. Then another column where we have the total response, the three instances.
The total, like
Go up. Where the skill responses are not showing.
but I just copied the code like from the NPS updates. Like, I think you updated it. I'm not sure, but I just copied the code from that. I'm sure.
You didn't pull.
What?
You didn't pull. You didn't pull because I made some changes in the views. In the view too, there are some changes made in the views. I thought I pulled from because now if you are copying, you cannot update everything. You have to pull changes, pull and merge your changes. I pulled from Ambrose to my branch, and so you also have to pull from my branch so as to update your code base. You have to git stash your changes, pull and merge my branch. So you are working currently on the latest branch, so we don't have major conflict when you pull, because everything has to be pulled back into NPS v2 before it's deployed. So your changes can reflect if you are not pulling the latest changes. You are currently on a previous version. We've made some changes, and if you don't pull, you won't be able to. The changes will match on your version of the code.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah, so you have to
Yes.
pull, git stash, pull, and merge with your changes, and check solve any conflicts before you push back to your branch.
Okay. So can you help me do it now?
Okay. git stash. Git pull origin nps updates. Origin. No, that's not.
Like that.
Yes.
Automatic merge date.
You have to solve the conflict. Check the files with the red. Is there a conflict stuff on Python? I use VS Code, so I can listen. There's some conflicts. I don't know about Python. The Zambros is Python.
It's showing me red on the calculate function file.
Yes.
You created and on this file.
Yes, you have to check for the conflict and accept whether your